Since 1972, Dustcontrol has led the charge in pioneering dust management solutions. Our commitment? To protect your workplace with innovative solutions. Discover our extensive range: mobile dust extractors, pre-separators, and customized accessories, all designed to meet your specific needs. Our systems excel in capturing the most dangerous particles, those invisible to the naked eye. Thanks to our HEPA filters, all marked with manufacturing dates and delivered with test certificates and batch serial numbers, we ensure unparalleled protection, maintaining a workplace that's not just cleaner, but safer at a microscopic level. From small renovations to large construction projects, our solutions perfectly adapt to handle dust under all working conditions. Increase efficiency, improve the work environment, and reduce health and safety risks with Dustcontrol, an investment in cleanliness and health. Our solutions are not just powerful, they're designed for simplicity and flexibility, ready to meet the unique challenges of your work environment. Wherever you are, our services and support stand ready. We're here to ensure your systems always operate at their best. Dustcontrol. For an efficient and dust-free future, contact us to find out more about how we can support your project.